Forex trading is becoming increasingly popular all around the world, with people searching for methods to generate money online. However, many individuals are passing up the opportunity simply because of a lack of knowledge on how to get started as a beginner trader. In this video, guys, we'll go over the 5 most important things to know before you get into Forex trading. We will look at concepts that new Forex traders should understand, such as what is the Forex market? How does it work? The benefits and risks of trading the Forex market, as well as how to get started and a few tips for your long-term success. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. My name is Hussam Sami, the founder of SFX-GLOBAL, where we help people escape the 9-to-5 rat race by learning how to trade. So let's get into it. Firstly, what is Forex trading and how does it actually work? Now, since the Forex market is a complicated financial tool, the majority of people out there are unfamiliar with it. However, as people seek methods to generate money online, the popularity of Forex trading is growing across the world. It isn't as difficult as some people may believe, and it provides a great opportunity to generate a primary or secondary stream of income in just a few hours a week. Now, a few years ago, guys, I started Forex trading, and now I make a 6-figure income working 3 to 5 hours a week from anywhere in the world. Trading Forex is the buying and selling of currencies on the foreign exchange in order to make a profit from future price changes. Now, Forex is short for the foreign exchange, also known as FX, and it's the most popular form of trading in the world. As a Forex trader, you're making informed predictions on the direction of the market, and then taking advantage of those predictions by buying or selling currencies in the hope of making a profit. How people make money in the Forex market is by trading something known as contracts for difference, or CFDs. Now, a CFD is an agreement between two people to exchange the difference between the price of a contract at the beginning and end of a period. That means that if you think the value of the US dollar will go up against the euro, you can open a position saying that. If your prediction is correct and the dollar does indeed go up in value against the euro, you will receive money from your broker and a profit equivalent to how much the price went up by. And if the euro goes up in value, you will incur a loss, and that is the loss that you pay to your broker. Now, what are some of the benefits and risks of Forex trading? A common misconception is that trading is only for those with massive wealth or experience. However, anyone can get started in the Forex market, and there are many benefits to trading. For people who work 9 to 5, trading provides an opportunity to make an additional income or even replace their current income. Forex trading is also a flexible way to make money as a trader. As a trader myself, I set my hours and I can work from any location. All I need is my phone, the internet, and my computer. So unlike starting a business, there's no need for large investments in order to get started. In fact, you can start trading with some brokers for as little as a couple of $100 deposit while you learn the ropes. So this is a skill that can be learned relatively quickly. In just a few hours of practice a week, a person can develop a basic understanding of the principles of trading. And we see this in our community, with many of our students investing 5 to 10 hours a week in order to learn the skill set. So when you trade Forex, you're effectively betting on the movement of currencies. If your trade idea is correct, you can make a profit. However, if your trade idea is incorrect, you could end up losing money. So there are some risks involved with trading Forex. So what are the risks of Forex trading? Now, there are a number of risks associated with Forex trading, and it's important to be aware of them before you start trading. The biggest risk, of course, is the risk of losing money. If you don't have enough money to cover your losses, you could end up going into debt or losing your entire investment. Now, this is exactly why it's so important to only invest money that you can afford to lose, guys. Another big risk is the risk of being scammed. Now, there are a lot of scams in the Forex market, and it's important to do your research before choosing a broker or trading platform to go with. If you're not careful, guys, you could end up losing your money to a scammer. So always make sure that the broker you invest your money with is a reputable broker and they're trustworthy. Finally, guys, another big risk is trading a non-profitable trading strategy. If you don't have a good trading strategy, you don't have a method to the madness, you could end up losing money even if your trade idea was correct, because you don't know how to get in or out of the market correctly. This is why it's so important to develop and test a trading strategy before using it with real money. Of course, like any skill, Trading requires practice and dedication consistently to perfect. However, for those who make the time, trading can be exciting and lucrative and pay off in the long term. Trading can be an exciting and lucrative way to invest in the financial markets. Now we've covered what Forex trading is and some of the benefits and risks associated with it, let's look at how to actually get started trading. Now the first step is to find a trading strategy that suits your needs. There are some profitable Forex trading strategies out there, and it's important to find one that fits your personality and risk tolerance. Once you've found a strategy that works for you, stick with it, guys, and perfect it. Don't keep switching from strategy to strategy. There's no need to. It's important to stick with one, learn the ropes, understand it, and don't try to trade too many different strategies at once, as this can lead to confusion, resulting in losses. Instead, focus on mastering one strategy at a time and move on to the next one if there is a need to. At SFX Global, I teach our clients my midterm trading strategy based on price action. To find out more, you guys can find a link in the description and you guys can book a call to discuss your roadmap to profitability, and we'll show you what that looks like with us. Now, once you have a trading strategy, you need to know what markets are you going to trade in. Are you going to trade Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrency? Once you know what market you're going to trade, you will then need to pick a charting platform in order to read the charts and practice. Now, I suggest you use TradingView, and you can find a link in the description as well. This is where you will carry out your analysis and read the price charts to make informed trading decisions based on the rules of your strategy. Finally, it's important to remember that it's a skill that requires practice and dedication. You will need to practice regularly so you can perfect your skill set. It's all about staying consistent and moving that needle forward 1% every day or every other day. Now, some tips for success in Forex trading so you can succeed long term. My two most important recommendations for successful trading are to have a long-term horizon rather than a get-rich-quick attitude when you get started. If you put in the work and commitment, you will achieve long-term success as a trader if you do it correctly from the outset. Forex trading is all about probabilities, and you're doing your best to make educated guesses about which direction the price will move based on the rules of your strategy. This is why it's so important to understand how to think in terms of probabilities, guys. Now, if you're not accustomed to thinking in this way, it can be difficult to become profitable. But with practice, you can learn how to think in terms of probabilities and train your brain to think this way in order to improve your trading results. This way, you become less emotional when you lose and win. Now, it's no hidden secret, Forex trading can be a lucrative investment opportunity, but it's important to understand the risks involved before getting started. In this video, we've covered the 5 most important things that beginner traders need to know before they start Forex trading. We've also included my top 2 tips for success in Forex trading and how to get started. So guys, check out the video I did on the 4 steps to get into trading right here, where I go into all of this into more depth. So if you're interested in learning more about trading and you haven't already, guys, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button to the channel. And finally, here's a reminder to go watch my next video, which will take you through the 4 steps to getting started in your trading, so you can learn how to generate a primary or secondary stream of income in only a few hours a week. So guys, here it is. Go check it out, and I'll see you on there.